Welcome to DAC6pro, the tool to create and manage all your cross-border arrangements. In this video, we will guide you through how to set up your clients within the system. Let's get started. The client management pop-up is where you can manage and organize your client data. As a client admin, you have the authority to add, edit, or delete clients. You can also easily search through the list of clients right here. Clients are mandatory within the DAC6pro system, but if you prefer not to work with clients, please just add one and have that be it. Now let's start by adding a new client to the system. To do that, click on the Add Client button. Here, you'll start by filling in the client's name. It's important to note that the client name must be unique among the existing clients within the system. If you try to use a name that's already in use, you'll receive a warning. This warning visualization is used throughout the whole tool and helps you with potential issues with your input. Once you're satisfied with the client name, you need to insert the client reference and click Next when you're ready. The same goes for the client contact. Lastly, you can add users to the system who will have access to this client's data. In DAC6pro, we understand that not every user should have access to every client. So, by default, users have no access. Those users need to be given access explicitly. This ensures you have full control of what your users see and edit within the tool. To assign users to the client, simply select their name from the drop-down list. You can select or deselect all users here at the top. The users that already have access are automatically added by the system. You can set up this automatic adding in the user management, which I will show you in a minute. Once you've selected all the users who should have access to the client, click Save Client. The client is now immediately added and ready for you to use. Just click on the client name and you'll be taken directly into the client's interface, where you can start adding data. If you ever need to switch clients, simply go to the drop-down in the top right corner of the screen. From there, you can also navigate back to the client management section whenever you need. You can edit the user access per client in the client management section. You can head to the user management section as well, where you can edit client access on a per user basis. This gives you the ability to fine-tune the access levels for each user, granting or revoking access to specific clients as needed. As said before, you can select the option to automatically add a user to new clients here as well. To save these changes, you need to click the Save Changes button here. And that concludes our video on client management within DAC6pro. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to our support team. See you in the next video.